Terrell, and you're watching the Pussycats Cooking Show. Woohoo! Oh yeah! You started without me now? Okay. As you know, I'm Chef Tiffany, and what we do here is help my little brother Terrell make some of his favorite meals. Since he's autistic, sometimes Terrell can't really communicate to us on what he wants, so this is my way of helping him. So today's episode is Fall Favorites. Yes, Fall Favorites. Yeehaw! I'm not sure why I did that. Go Cowboys. Anyway. It's good. It's some good juice. Some good juice. Anyway. Good juice. Good juice. Good juice. Have that. So, we will be making some good blueberry muffins. Well, I got this accent all of a sudden. I don't know. So, Terrell, what will we need to make the blueberry muffins? Blueberry muffins. Vegetable oil, eggs, cut water. Vegetable oil, 2 eggs. 2 eggs. And water. Wait, we missing something. Vegetable oil. Oh, the blueberry. I'll be right back. Hold on. Vegetable oil, 2 eggs, cup water. A cup of water. Okay, we got the blueberries. Blueberry juice. It kind of, yeah, it's a liquid now. Anyway, so first, we will add the mixture, in this case, the powder. Powder? And pour it into the bowl. But we're past memories. I'm going to cut it open this time. Not rip it open. Yeah. Yeah, just think about it. Really have. Some flour, vegetable oil. Here, pour this in. Pour this in the bowl. The flour. Okay, here's the flour. Delicious. There we go. Delicious. Now we're going to add 2 eggs. Now we'll do this one too. I want you. One more time. So good. Shake out me some eggs. Anyway, now we will add the oil. Just the oil? Water. Delicious, good. And the blueberries. Once I get it open. Why you gotta be so difficult? Oh, I finally got the blueberries open. Now Terrell will put it into the bowl. That's some real good juicy blueberries. Now he will mix it in the bowl. Yes. Finally, some good heckin' food. And when we come back, it will be time for today's sidebar. And this is today's sidebar. Yes. And now it's time for today's sidebar. Today's sidebar is actually an inspirational quote that we actually have on our YouTube page. The quote is, it's actually from Pinterest. Bear with me.
Okay.
Okay. You done?
You done?
Okay.
Okay.
That's how we're doing.
This is a cupcake show. This is for all favorites. The cupcakes cooking show there. And the work is in the work is Tiffany is over there. The dick is over half. This is a little cupcakes.
Okay.
Okay.
If they can't learn the way we teach the way they learn. Yes.
If they can't run the way, we teach the way they learn.
Good job.
Good job.
Now we're making the muffins.
See Muffins.
Yes, we about to put them in the muffin tins. Cupcake tins. Muffin tins. Either or. We're going to use this measuring cup to put the batter into the cups.
And 1, 2, 3.
You think you got that, Terrell? I'll watch. From this. Delicious.
Delicious.
They're gonna be nice and blue. Don't forget to bake the muffins for 15 to 20 minutes. You can go over there, Terrell. Almost there. Our Dallas Cowboys cupcakes are almost done. Cupcakes. Dallas Cowboys. They muffins. I'm just calling them Dallas Cowboys muffins. There's some people in this house who like the 49ers. I said it. Some people like the 49ers. But me and my mother like the Dallas Cowboys. They don't want to beat you. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at PKCS2018 and also on Facebook at the Puzzle Kids Cooking Show.
Sweet sugar.
See you next time on the Puzzle Kids Cooking Show. Say bye, Terrell.
Bye, Terrell.
Bye. Dallas Cowboys.